Hi guys, my name is Mamenchisaurus and today I'll be presenting my dinosaur Mamenchisaurus Constructus. As you guys know, scientific name is Mamenchisaurus Constructus, common name Mamenchisaurus, genus is Mamenchisaurus, which refers to Mamenchi lizard, which refers to the area in China where the first fossil of Mamenchisaurus was discovered. The species is Constructus. The Constructus part of the name came from it being discovered on a building site. Taxonomic. Mamenchisaurus places under the Sauropodia lizard-hipped order, and further under the Sauropodomorpha clade. Sauropodomorpha is a clade of herbivorous dinosaur, characterized by small skulls, long neck, and leaf-shaped teeth. Mamenchisaurus also falls under Sauropoda clade, infraorder of large quadruped dinosaurs. Sauropoda are herbivorous, also characterized by small-headed, long-necked, and long-tailed. Mamenchisaurus constructus belongs to the Mamenchisauridae family in a relatively basal part of the Eosauropod branch toward the Neosauropoda. When was it alive? It was alive 160 to 145 million years ago in a Jurassic period, in a Upper Jurassic epoch, and Oxfordian stage. Geographic range. So partial skeleton was discovered in Sichuan, China during the highway construction in 1952. In 1954, one of the China's paleontologist, Professor Yang Jun, who founded it, named it Mamenchisaurus Constructus. The formation of the dinosaur that was found in rock was Sashimio Formation in China. It is a layered aged rock. Climate. As you know, the dinosaur is from Jurassic, so the eastern side of the Pangea was more humid. The conditions were caused by large land masses due to wind and perception, like now continents. So the regional climate was tropical forests and rich river valleys that was once inhabited by Mamenchisaurus, what is now central China. Grass was yet to evolve. The Mamenchisaurus fossil was recovered in an area once a lush forest, as many fossilized woods have been found in it, and scientists believe that the area must have plenty of water in form of lake due to large river. Fossil was found in various areas of Sashimio Formation in China, as it is formation of layered age rock. The upper two layers of the formation are the most explored, and the bottom two are the least recovered. Constructus has been estimated around 43 to 49 feet in length and 5 tons in mass. So the partial fossil was excavated, in which the material included 5 dorsal vertebrae, 30 caudal vertebrae, brick fragments, dorsal neurospines, and chevron. Also 14 neck vertebrae were preserved, but none were complete. Young described of additional remains of sauropod collected from Gansu province, as the remain consisted of various partial specimens, and most of them were assigned to Constructus. Like all other sauropod, it was an herbivore that used small peg-like teeth for small, soft plant diet. One of its biggest hunter was Zanchunosaurus that hunted it down in a pack. Fossil evidence of heel wound of a young Chunosaurus scapula bone indicates such conflict. Also, many Chinese scientists believe Mamenchisaurus was safe from many predators, as it uses club-like tail for protection.